So I did something stupid. I traded my Jeep for an 07 335i with the fucking N54 motor. The one that's got all the issues, but this thing is pretty clean. And I did a Carfax on it, and the original owner had it for 16 years. Now, the only thing that I can physically see that was wrong with it is the passenger rear window is stuck down. So the regulator's bad. You can hear it crunching. Carfax had this slight damage, and it looks like it's cracked a little bit right here in the back bumper. But boom, we got the temporary. It's got a few nicks on this door, a few nicks. This is the window that doesn't go up. Sunroof works. It's got cracked windshield. You can't, something from up here. And it's all stock. He did say that he had serpentine belt replaced, radiator replaced. I think it was one of the upper radiator hoses. I just put those in, from the Jeep. But we do have a problem. I was driving home from picking the kids up from school, and it died at a stoplight. So we did some research, and I am going to be opening up that fuel pump and checking for a disconnected line, because the gas gauge is only at about half, and I ran out of gas at a stoplight in the middle of the intersection. I mean, not at the middle, but in the middle lane of like a fucking 4-3 lane main street. So I'm gonna check this out and see what's up. But that handle needs to be replaced, and I mean, that's it. Like, yeah, that mat's kind of fucked up, but it's clean. All of the electronic visor back here works. It needs to be detailed. That's about it. The top of that one's broke. But yeah, I'm gonna fix that. Yeah, it's the N54 motor, so it's the one that has the injector fucking issue. $2,000 set of fucking injectors. It's clean. So I'm pretty sure they said this hose was replaced. I don't know about exactly what areas. You can see a little bit of coolant, right, dried up coolant right there. It looks like they did the Mickey Mouse inlet or whatever at some point, but I mean, look, this oil filter housing is clean. It has a little bit of oil pooling up on the side there, so I do think the valve cover gasket is leaking, like maybe a little bit. I know the oil pan's leaking. It's got a bunch of oil on the cover on the bottom. It's not dripping too bad on the ground, but yeah, it's leaking. We'll see, man. I'm gonna keep it for a little bit, but I might try and flip it. I don't know. We'll see.